The OEMS system revolutionizes supplier onboarding. It's a comprehensive platform for managing both critical and non-critical purchases. This includes products, services, and components. Suppliers begin by completing a detailed survey. They provide essential data such as location, offerings, certifications, and banking details. All this is facilitated through a user-friendly supplier portal. When it gets to supplier approval processes within the OEMS are customizable. They can be single or multi-level, tailored to organizational needs. Once approved, suppliers' reach can be extended across multiple locations. Depending on your organizational structure, where it's complex or simple organization, the supplier extension is a feature that enhances supplier approval across your global locations. Through examination of the approved supplier list, one can readily assess the purchasing significance and risk evaluation associated with each supplier. Detailed supplier profiles encompass a spectrum of information, ranging from selection criteria to ongoing supplier performance metrics. It includes documents, non-conformances, corrective actions, and even detailed inspection reports, all aimed at enhancing efficiency. Get in touch with us today to discover the innovative OEMS system, meticulously crafted to astonish and elevate your operations to new heights. The OEMS system, designed to amaze.